Hi everyone, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. In today's update, we'll be going through a new feature recently released to QuickBooks Online, the ability to be able to send automatic invoice reminders. So without further ado, let's see this feature in action. Now, first thing you need to do is turn on the feature. You can find that by selecting the gear icon and then selecting Account and Settings. You want to select the Sales tab, and you'll see the option for reminders. Now, if you've had the manual reminders, historically, you will need to turn on automatic reminders. So you just select the box, Auto Invoice Reminders, and you actually have the ability to be able to select up to 3 frequencies for reminders. So for the first one, I'm going to select 7 days before, and then I'm going to select 1 day before, and then I'm going to select another one and say 5 days after. So there we go. You can have up to 3. If you only want to have, say, 2, you can just click the little bin icon and remove one. So next up, what you can do is you can actually customize the reminder message if you like. And I'll just say something like, please pay your invoice. There we go. But, let's say I just want to reset that back to the default template. Just select the Reset to Default Email template. Now, what's really important is there's a little checkbox for email me a copy at this email address here. Now, that actually comes from your company settings. So if you select here, you go to your contact information, it will be in your company email address, which we've selected here. So if I actually update this, and I'll just say like invoice reminders at intuit.com. Then select Save. Now let's go back to the Sales tab, select Reminders again. You'll see that that has been updated there. So that's how you set it up. One thing to call out is you can still send them manually. So we're just going to close out of that. We're going to select Sales and then Invoices. And what you can do is you can always send them manually, and we'll use that email template that you've created earlier. So I'll just select these 3 invoices here, select the batch actions, and then select send reminders. So we'll send that through there. And what you actually notice is we don't actually have an email address for this one customer. So I can actually just enter this in now, and I'll just use the email address that I was using earlier for this example. And you can actually save that to the client's record. So for next time, it's already saved on their account. So there we go. And what will actually happen here is when the auto reminder is sent, you'll actually see the status change here. So I'm just going to hop over to the article. When an automatic reminder is sent, the status will actually change, and the brackets reminded will be added to the status column right here. So that is the feature of automatic invoice reminders. As always, please do leave your feedback down below, and we'll catch you next time for our next quick update.